Hello. As you can see this question, they're asking about what is the correct classification of the two compounds. So first thing, look at the two compounds functional group. What are the functional groups in the two compounds? So we have NH2 and OH. So NH2 stands for amine and OH is for alcohol. So we know amine, you can remember, has N in it. So it's NH2. Amine has NH2. Alcohol, the all group OH. Okay. So now coming to the next part of the question, either it's primary or tertiary or secondary, whatever they're asking you for. So let's look for this. For amine, always look for the nitrogen. Please check for the nitrogen. So you have to check whenever they ask primary, secondary, tertiary questions, it's about carbon. So primary refers to one carbon. When they say primary, it refers to one carbon. If they say secondary, it refers to two carbon. If they say tertiary, it refers to three carbon. So for amine, we only look for nitrogen. How many carbons is the nitrogen directly bonded to? So look at my diagram here. So as you can clearly see here, okay, as you can clearly see here that this nitrogen is only bonded to one carbon and the remaining two are hydrogens. So this, since it's only one carbon here, that is why it's primary. Okay. So for amines, we look for nitrogen. Okay. The next part is what? So now we have alcohol. What about alcohol? So alcohol has OH as the functional group. So do I look for oxygen? No, we do not look. So for other groups except amine, for other groups, we look for carbon. Okay, we look for the carbon which is attached to the OH. So look for carbon which is attached to the OH. So in this case, this is the OH. What carbon? So here, this carbon is attached to the OH, as you can see here. So then look how many carbons is that carbon bonded to. So this carbon, you have to check the lines surrounding it. So this is one carbon, this one is two carbon, and this side is three carbon. So since there are three carbons attached to this carbon here, the carbon with the functional group with the OH. So since there are three carbons, that is why it's going to be tertiary. So therefore option A is not right. Option D is right. Thank you.